Today we will start the chapter coding and decoding. So we have three types of coding decoding. One is letter coding, then we have number coding, and we have mixed coding. What is letter coding? Let's see an example. Suppose love is coded in MPWF, then kite is coded in which word? So this type of questions is the example of letter coding. Now let's see what is number. Suppose cat is coded as 24, then sad is coded as 24, then she is coded in which number? So this is an example of number coding. Now let's see example of mixed coding. Suppose RU is coded as re-tin and UGO is coded as me-so. Then what is the code for R? So this type of question is example of mixed coding. So first we will do letter coding. So let's take this example. Love is coded as MPWF. Then what is the code for kite? Here find the logic. We have LOVE. So L is 12, O is 15, V is 22 and E is 5. And it goes to MPWF. Here M is 13, P is 16, W is 23 and F is 6. So we see that L goes to M, that is in plus 1. O goes to P, that is also from 15 to 16, so plus 1. V goes to W, so from 22 to 23, so here also plus 1. And E goes to F, so E is 5 and F is 6, here also plus 1. So the sequence is plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. So we will apply the same sequence in kite. K's position is 11, I is 9, K is 20 and E is 5. So 11 will go to 12, 9 will go to 10, 20 will go to 21 and 5 will go to 6. So 12 is L, 10 is J, 21 is U and 6 is F. So kite will be coded as LJUF. In this way you have to find the logic and apply the same logic in the question. To solve the questions of coding decoding, we always have to identify a logical sequence. So what is a logical sequence? Some examples are, suppose we have this previous plus 1, then plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, like that. This is a logical sequence. Another example, suppose we have plus 2, minus 3, plus 2, minus 3, plus 2, minus 3. This is another logical sequence. Then if we have 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, etc. This is a sequence of odd numbers. This is also a logical sequence. Then we may have plus 2, plus 3, plus 5, plus 7. These are the prime numbers. So this is also a logical sequence. Again we may have some sequence like this, plus 3, minus 5, plus 3, minus 5, plus 3, minus 5. These are also logical sequence. Another example, okay, suppose we have something plus 2, minus 9, plus 7, plus 3, minus 14. This is not a logical sequence. So to solve the questions of coding decoding, we always have to find a logical sequence. The logical sequence is where there is a pattern, so we have to find the pattern. There are some pattern for the letter coding. So first one is forward pattern. What is this? Suppose you have a word of 5 letters, then you will get another word of 5 letters from this. The first letter will go to the first letter, the second letter will go to the second letter, and so on. So in this way the coding is done. So this is called forward pattern. Let's see an example. Chair is coded as EJCKT. Then table is coded in what word? So CHAIR. Chair goes to EJCKT. So C is 3, H is 8, A is 1, I is 9, and R is 18. And E is 5, J is 10, C is 3, K is 11, and T is 20. So we see it goes to plus 2. Then also from 8 to 10 plus 2, 1 to 3 this is plus 2, 9 to 11 it is also plus 2, and 18 to 20 this is also plus 2. So in table also the coding, these will go to plus 2. So T is 20, A is 1, B is 2, L is 12, and E is 5. So 20 plus 2 is 22, 1 plus 2 is 3, 2 plus 2 is 4, and 12 plus 2 is 14, and 5 plus 2 is 7. So 22 is B, 3 is C, 4 is D, 14 is N, and 7 is G. So the answer is B, C, D, N, G. Table is coded as B, C, D, N, G. So this is the answer. Let's see what is reverse pattern. Suppose we have a word of 5 letters. This will go to a word of 5 letters, but the first will go to the last, the second will go to the second last, the third will go to the third, then the second last will go to the second, and the last will go to the first. In this way the coding is done. So this is called the reverse pattern. Let's see an example. Hand is coded as EOBI. Then milk is coded as what? So here H goes to I. So H is 8, A is 1, N is 14, and D is 4. And here we see E is 5, O is 15, B is 2, and I is 9. So here 8 goes to 9, so plus 1, 1 goes to 2. Then here 14, it becomes 15, and D 4 becomes 5. So this is reverse pattern. So here M is 13, I is 9, L is 12, and K is 11. So M will go to the second, M is the first, so 13 is the first, it will go to the last letter. So 13 plus 1 is 14, the last is 14. 14 means N. Then I, 9, it will become 10, J. Then 12 will become 13, that is M, and 11 will become 12. So that is L. So the coding is LMJN. So this is the example of reverse pattern. Let's see what is cross pattern. Suppose there is a word of 6 letters. It will go to a word of 6 letters in this way. So there is a pattern like this. Or suppose there is a word of 5 letters, and it will go in this way. The third will go to third, then second last will go to the last, and last will go to the second last. Or suppose there is another word of 6 letters, and coding may be like this. Between the three, so this is also possible. This is also the cross pattern. Let's see an example. The answer is coded as DGE PSF. Then what is the code for public? So we have DANCER. So it goes to DGE PSF. So here D is 4, A is 1, N is 14, C is 3, E is 5, and R is 18. So here D is 4 and G is 7, E 5, P 16, S 19 and F 6. So we see that D goes to 7, 4 goes to 7, that is plus 3, and 1 goes to 4, here is also plus 3. Then 14, this goes to P, so we have here plus 2, and here we have plus 2, and 3 goes to 5, that is also plus 2. Then 5 goes to 6, here is plus 1, and 18 goes to 19, here is plus 1. So we first get plus 3 and plus 3, then we get plus 2, and then we get plus 1, plus 1. So we have here public. P is 16, U is 21, B is 2, L is 12, I is 9, and C is 3. So 16 will go to plus 3, means 19. U will go to plus 3, that means 24. Then 2 will go to plus 2, that is 4, and L will go to plus 2, that is 14. 9 goes to 10, and 3 becomes 4. So we have 24 means X, 19 is S, 14 is N, 4 is D, and J is 10. So the answer is X, S, N, D, D, J. Let's do some practice based on these patterns. So first we will check for forward pattern. If it is not forward pattern, we will check for reverse pattern, and if it is not reverse pattern, we will check for cross pattern. So our first example, King is coded as KMIP. What is the code for true? So we have KING and it goes to KMIP. So K is 11, I is 9, N is 14, G is 7. So K is 11, then M is 13, I is 9, and P is 16. So check for forward pattern. So 11 goes to 11, then 9 goes to 13. 9 to 13, this is plus 4. Then 14 to 9, this is minus 5. And 7 to 16, which is 9, plus 9. So there is no logical sequence. So now you can check for reverse pattern. So 11 goes to 16, that is going to plus 1. Then 9 goes to 9, that is 0. Then 14 goes to 13, it is minus 1, and 7 goes to 11. There is also no logical pattern, so no sequence. So we check for cross pattern. So 11 goes to 13, then we have plus 2. 9 goes to 11, this is also plus 2. Then 14 goes to 16, it is plus 2. 7 goes to 9, it is also plus 2. So it is the question of cross pattern. So now do for true. Then T is 20, R is 18, U is 21, and E is 5. So it will go to plus 2, means 22, that is V. Then 18 will goes to plus 2, means 20, that is T. U we will go to plus 2, 23, that means W, and E will go to plus 2 means 7, that is G. So answer is T, V, G, W. Our second question, right is coded as V, Q, H, S, T. Then what is the code for might? So W is 23, R is 18, I 9, T 20, and E is 5. So V is 22, Q is 17, H is 8, S is 19, and D is 4. So here clearly you can see this is the question of forward pattern. We are going to -1. So we get a sequence -1, and so on. So now find for might. So M is 13, I 9, G 7, H 8, and T is 20, and they will go to -1. That means 12, then 8, then 6, then 7, and then 19. So we get 12 means L, then H, F, G, and S. So this is the answer. Let's do this. SHYAM. This is coded as JXVEP. Now write the numbers. So S 19, H is 8, Y is 25, A is 1, and M is 13. Here J is 10, X is 24, B is 22, A is 5, and P is 16. So you observe that here 19 goes to 16, that is -3, 13 goes to 10, that is -3. Now we can write A as 27 because it comes after Z, and Z is 26. So A is 27. So if A is 27 and it goes to 24, then it is -3. So 19 goes to 16 -3. Then H goes to 5. H goes to, here is 8, here we have 5. This is also -3. Y is 25 and -3, then it goes to 22. Then A, we write it as 27, it goes to 24, that is -3, and 13 goes to 10. This is also -3. So the sequence is of -3, and the pattern is reverse pattern. So now do it for this PINKU. So P is 16, I is 9, this is 14, 11, 21. So 16 minus 3 is 13. So here we have 13. Then 9 minus 3 is 6. So we will get 6. Then 14 minus 3, that is 11. Then 11 minus 3 is 8. So 11 minus 3 is 8, and 21 minus 3 is 18. So we get R, H, then K, F, M. So this is the answer. Now come to question 4. We have C, O, U, L, D. This goes to F, J, W, M, E. Now write the numbers. 3, it is O is 15, U 21, L is 12, and D is 4. F is 6, J is 10, this is 23, 13, and here we have 5. So you see 3 goes to 5 means +2, 4 goes to 6 means +2. Then 15 goes to 13, that means -2. Then 21 goes to 23, that is +2. And 12 goes to 10, that is -2. So 3 goes to 5, we have +2. Then 15 goes to 13, that means -2. 21 goes to 23, that means +2. Then 12 goes to 10, that is -2. And 4 goes to 6, that is +2. So the pattern is +2, -2, +2, -2, +2. Now we have games, GAMES. So write the numbers 7, 1, 13, 5, and 19, and the pattern is reverse pattern of +2, -2. So 7 + 2, 9, minus 2, 1 is 27, 27 minus 2 is 25, 25 means y. And then 13 plus 2, 13 plus 2 means 15, e 5 minus 2, 5 minus 2 is 3, and 19 plus 2 is 21. So we get u c, then for 15 it is o y, and this is I. U C O Y I. This is the answer. Come to the question 5. So we have MOTHERS. This goes to OLVEGOU. Now we write the numbers. The positions 13, then 15, it is 28, 5, 18 and 19, and here we have 15, 12, 22, it is 5, then 7, 15, and then we have 21. So we see 13 here. Okay, let's check the forward pattern. 13 goes to 15, that means plus 2, 15 goes to 12, that means minus 3, then 20, it is plus 2, here also minus 3, it is plus 2, minus 3, plus 2. So the pattern is plus 2, minus 3, plus 2, minus 3, like that. So now do for this brought, BROUGHT, and write the positions. So we have 2, then 18, 15, 21, 7, 8, 20, and the pattern is plus 2, minus 3, plus 2, minus 3. 2 plus 2, 4 is forward pattern, then minus 3, 18 minus 3 is 15, okay, 15, then 15 plus 2 means 17, then minus 3 means 18, then this plus 2 means 9, and then we have minus 3, 8 minus 3 is 5, and we have plus 2 means 22. So this is DOQRIEV. DOQRIEV. This is the answer. Now come to question 6. We have PRAMOD. This is coded as SODJRA. Now P is 15, then 18, 1, 13, sorry, P is 16, 15, this is 4, and S is 19, this is 15, D is 4, J is 10, R is 18, and A is 1. So what is the pattern? Observe that this is plus 3, then we have minus 3, then plus 3, minus 3, plus 3, minus 3. So this is the pattern. So apply this in this Keshav. 11. So we have 11, then 5, 19, 8, 1 and 22, and apply this plus 3, minus 3, plus 3, minus 3, plus 3 means 11 plus 3, 14, minus 3 means 2, here plus 3, 22. Okay, then we have minus 3 means 5, plus 3 is 4, and minus 3 is 19. So like this, first N, B, V, E, D, S. So this is the answer. Now let's come to the question number 7. Rail goes to RAIL, this goes to KCTN. Then what about READ? So write the position 18, 1, then 9, then we have 12. So here we have 11, then 3, then we have 20, then 14. So this is not forward pattern, because here 9 goes to 20, 12 goes to 14, there is no pattern. So let's, is this reverse pattern? This is not reverse pattern, because here we have 18 goes to 14, that means -4, then 1 goes to 20. This is not the reverse pattern. So let's check for cross pattern. So you see here 18, we have 1, 18, 1, 9, and here we have 23 and 11. So see, 18 goes to 20 plus 2, then 1 goes to 3, this is also plus 2, and 9 goes to 11, this is also plus 2, and here 12 goes to 14, this is also plus 2. So the pattern is like this. So the pattern is, this is for cross pattern like this. So R is 18, E is 5, A is 1, and D is 4. So it will go to plus 2. R will go to 20, E plus 2 means 7, and this plus 2 means 3. So it is C, G, and it is T, and D will go to plus 2, that means 6 means F. So this is the correct answer. So this was different type of pattern. So the answer is C, G, T, F. So let's see the question 8. We have MIRACLE, and this goes to TKOAGNE. So how it is done? Let's write the positions. We have 13, then 9, 18, 1, 3, then L is 12 and E is 5. So now T is 20, this K is 11, O is 15, A is 1, okay. Then G is 7, N is 14, and E is 5. So it is done like this. This 13 goes to 5 plus 2, this is plus 2, 9 goes to 11, and 18 goes to 20. So we have plus 2. Here C goes to E. Here 3 becoming 5, so plus 2. From 12 to 14 plus 2, and from 5 to 7 this is also plus 2. And we are getting from A to A. So that is 1 is going to 1, no change. So then we have PRELIMS. So P is 16, R is 18, E is 5, L is 12, and I is 9, M is 13, and S is 19. And it will go to plus 2. So cross pattern with plus 2. So 16 plus 2, that is 18. R 18 plus 2, that is 20. And 5 plus 2, that is 7. So we have here G, T, then R. L will go to L, there is no change. And I, that is plus 2 means 11. 13 plus 2, 15. And 19 plus 2 is 21. So we get U, O, K. So answer is GTRLUOK. Here VASTU goes to WCVXZ. So position, write the position 22, then 1, 19, 20, 21, and this is 23, this is 3, then this is 22, this is 24, and this is 26. So we see here we have plus 1, then we have plus 2, then plus 3, plus 4, and plus 5. So this is the pattern. So this is 19, 20, 1, 9, and 18. So plus 1, 19 goes to 20, then plus 2, 22, then plus 3. 1 plus 3 means 4. Then 9 goes to 9 plus 4. 9 plus 4 means 13. And 18 plus 5. 18 plus 5 means 23. So we get T, then B, then D, M, and W. Let's do the question 10. Indian goes to PVM, PIW. So write the numbers 9, 14, 4, 9, 1, 14. So here we have 16, then 22, then it is 13, then P is 16, I is 9, and W is 23. So here 9 goes to 16 means plus 7. Then from 14 to 22 we have plus 8. So we get plus 7, then plus 8, then 4 to 9, it is plus 9. Then here we have plus 7, then plus 8, then we have plus 9. So this is the pattern. So TEMPLE. So 20, then 5, then 13, this is 16, 12, 5. So the pattern is plus 7, plus 8, plus 9, then plus 7, plus 8, plus 9. So 20 plus 7, 27. 27 means 1. 27 means 1. 1 means A. 5 plus 8, 13. 13 means M. Then 13 plus 9 is 22. 22 means B. Then 16 plus 7 is 23. 23 means W. 12 plus 8 means 20. 20 means T. And 9 plus 5 plus 9. 5 plus 9 is 14. 14 means N. So answer is AMBWTN. Here Indian, that goes to S, W, L, P, G, S. So here like the numbers. So 4, this is I is 9, A is 1 and N is 14. So here S is 19, W is 23, L is 12, P is 16, G is 7 and S is 19. So we get from 9 to 19, this is plus 10. Here we get plus 10. Here from 14 to 23 we get plus 9. From 4 to 12 it is plus 8. In 9 to 16 plus 7, this is plus 6 and this is plus 5. So this is the pattern. So apply the same in temple. 20, 5, 13, 16, 12, 5. First plus 10. 20 plus 10, that is 30. 30 means, okay, 27 is A, 28 is B, 29 is C and 30 means D. So 30 means D. So here we get plus 10 means 30, that is D. Then we have plus 9. 5 plus 9, 5 plus 9 is 14. 14 is N. Then plus 9, then we have plus 8. 13 plus 8. Plus 8 is 21. 21 means U. Then we have 16 plus 7. 16 plus 7 is 23. 23 means W. Then we have 12 plus 6. 12 plus 6 means 18. 18 is R. And then we have 5 plus 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. So we have J. So answer is DNUWRJ. Let's see one more example. We have venture, VENTURE, and this goes to GX, WV, PGT. So it is 22, then 5, 14, 20, 21, 18 and 5. G is 7, 24, then we have 23, 22, then 16, 7 and it is 20. So V goes to 24 and E goes to 7. We have plus 2 plus 2. Then we have here, we see R goes to 20 plus 2 and E goes to 7, that is plus 2. And here this N goes to P, so from 14 to 16 plus 2, from 21 to 23 plus 2 and from 20 to 22 we have plus 2. So this is the pattern. So now we have painter, PINTER. So the pattern will be like this. Problem of cross pattern. Okay. Now P16, this is 1, 9, 14, 20, 5 and 18. Now write plus 2 means 18, plus 2 means 3. From 9, 11, this is 16 and this is 22. And here we have 7 and here plus 2 means 20. So we have 3 means C, then we have R, then B, P, T, G. So 3 is C, 18 R, 22 is V, 16 is P, 11 is K, 20 is T and 7 is G. So this is the answer, C, R, V, P, K, T, G. So this is the last example. So I end this class here, and from next day we will see the different patterns. So we have position based pattern and opposite letter patterns. We will see those in the next class. Thanks for watching.